Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today I share with you how to enable dark mode on Facebook Lite application. Okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay guys, let's start. Go to Facebook Lite application. In your Facebook Lite application, go to on upper right side on the screen. You can click the three line or the menu on your Facebook Lite application and scroll down, then find the dark mode and click the switch on button on dark mode. Okay guys, now the Facebook Lite application are in dark mode, and that's it, and thank you for watching.